Hello! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristbands on this watch. To change the strap or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever, and you can pull it to release the strap from the watch. Basically, you need to pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull it, it will release the strap, and you can remove it from your watch. And how it works is basically if you pull on the lever, it retracts this pin, which releases the pin from this hole right here, and you can then pull out the strap. So let's do the same at the other side. Pull the lever, release the strap like this. And here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get the new ones, you simply need to put them back on, which is quite simple. You simply take the strap, you put the side, the pin on the side opposite to the lever. Basically, you put it in the hole right here on the watch. Then you pull on the lever, retract the pin, align it with the hole, release it, and it's gonna snap in and lock the strap. The same on the other side, like this. Pull on the lever, align it, and then release it, and it should lock in. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.